Joker, what did we discover yesterday?
If you don't put fuel in a bike, it don't want to run very well.
What's happened with your bike?
It might be out of fuel.
Can you see any? I can't hear any.
I think it's out of fuel.
Right, I better get on my bike and go and get some petrol. You don't learn, do you?
Rescue Rangers, transferring fuel from one bike to another. Doesn't he look so impressed?
Doing the exercises.
Ladies and gentlemen, the moment of truth. We've transferred petrol. Now will the bike run? There he goes with a cup of fuel to get to the petrol station. There you go, ladies and gentlemen. There over my shoulder is Joker putting that magic liquid in the bike to make it run. And the moral of the story is, bikes don't work without petrol.